Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to explain you about the cutline concept and which you guys can utilize to extract the conduction band, valence band and other band parameter. Like for example, this is an example of some solar cells structure and you can utilize this for the purpose of extracting the recombination rate, photogeneration rate, or you can say photo absorption rate, and in case of TFAT you can extract the uh, tunneling rate and other things for other structures. So how to get the conduction band, valence band in the structure? Like actually it is not available if you don't use some syntax like output syntax. So first discuss that, then we move arrive to the structure and then we discuss about that. So see, here you can see that output opt.int, con.band, val.band and band.parameter, and many more is there like the field and other things is also there, but like using this much only we can extract many of the things. So you can use this output statement and try to use that uh, like above the solve statement. Try to use that, like even you use it bottom, it's not the issue, but try to use like above the log out of file, and like whatever the solve statement it is your, and whatever the file name, like whatever the log file is yours, whatever the solve statement is your, like b node b1 and anything, and either you are solving for current, whatever you are solving, just you have to add the auto statement at the top, or even you can add this here also, it's not the issue. Just you have to take care of, you can add it here also, you can add like you can add it here also, there is no issue, but for like it's advised that use it at the top of log out f, and after that the solve statement, then like after getting the structure, use save out of and the structure name and Tony plot that structure, then only you get this output things. So you can understand the significance of this. If you don't use this, you can't get the conduction and valence band and any optical intensity parameters, okay, without this. So use output statement, then only you will get the conduction band and valence band here, okay. So like see here, like we get a file name as a Tony plot, like some structure, so let's go to that structure. See here, abc.str is a structure, okay. So here you can see that the structure which is generated from some codes, like the similar as I have shown some syntax here, right? So like what, how can we use the cut line here? So you just go to, like there's shortcut also cut line, or you go, is F2. There is shortcut for cut line is F2, and you can utilize that shortcut also, or you can directly go to tools and use that. Just these are options. There is a cut line as a vertical one, horizontal one, any angle one, or any angle you want to, like uh, some slant, some slope, sloped one cut line you want, or any zigzag cut line you want, and any two point connections you want, you can connect anyway. You can connect anywhere. There is also coordinate system also. You can input the values here like directly, and you can make the cut line of that. There is many more options, but for showing purpose, I will show you some, and you can utilize on your own, like the same way as I am doing, right? So what you have to do, you just select any one of them like this, and just you have to, like this is a vertical one, so I can't make in horizontal, right? Vertical things. So what you have to do, just like click left click and drag that mouse to bottom, wherever from that point you want to get the uh, on the line, on this line you got the all the parameter with respect to this line, whatever the parameter is, like conduction band, valence band and whatever the optical intensity parameter, you get all of them from this with respect to this line only. So these lines matter a lot. You can see also, one, this is a cut line, this is all we say cut line, and just you have to do right click and display. You get many options, right? Like you can let I specular, I diffuse, you want I diffuse also. Like if you use diffuse there, you can use diffuse also. If you want conduction band, valence band, there you just do and you get the conduction and valence band here, but just you have to take care of this. Absolutely, you select only required one, you got this also. So you get it perfectly, and there is a many options here, like you want a grid form, you apply here, grid form is also there. This is a meshing line. Actually this is the meshing line in which it is intersecting each other. Like here you can see wherever it's intersect the meshing line, there only it calculate the things. Okay, so this is a meshing line. Got it? So, and afterwards you can see if you I remove this, and if you I only want to see the lines only, so you can see that just clicking this, it remove that one, that structure junction lines, it remove that. And if you want to see some other things like colors also you want to see, and structure properly you want to see like this, so you can write silicon poly and you get this structure like this. So you can understand the structure where the conduction and valence band, where it what it is. And if you only want to see this one, and like let's remove this one also, let remove this one, so you get a line only. So this is a line only. So sometimes in the structure for showing in a smooth way, we used to remove this the points where it is calculating. And there's also, if you want only this cut line only, the point where it uh, only intersect the meshing line, there you want to calculate, then you can use this one only. So there is a many options you can explore on your own. Okay, and one more thing I have to say, like you can see that if I will say, if I right click on that and just click on the meshing line, you can see that wherever it is intersecting my meshing line, wherever it is intersecting my meshing line, the horizontal meshing line, it is calculating there the data. Like how I can say is just click right click and just you see this, you can see that wherever it is intersecting, it's calculating their points. So the it depends how you get the data for the conduction band and valence band. It depends on your meshing. If your meshing is not proper, you will get the data in the distorted format. So you have to take care of how you are defining the meshing, so you can get it right from this one. One more thing I have to show you, contour plot. Contour plot, you have also familiar with this contour plot, but if somebody is not familiar, I will show you the contour plot also. So this is a structure you are getting, right? 2D mesh structure. So for contour plot, you have a option here is contour, right? You can see that contour is there. Just click there and go to here and contours, and just you have to do conduction band, or not conduction band, just let's see electric field. So I want to see electric field here, just apply it. You get the electric field's contour plot. You can see that contour, like how electric field is varying. And if you want to know that what is the, you if you want to know the photo generation rate, you just click here and you apply. If you want to know the photo observation rate, you just click here and apply. And if you want to set number 2 and like multiple data you want to plot, so you can just click on set 2, and you want to see some like assume it to be electric field also, you can see that both the data in the simultaneous one. Like you can see any potential you want to see, anything you want to see, just click here and you got it that. Okay, so this is all. And one more thing I have to tell you is like in version you may face that electrodes, whenever you click on electrodes and apply, it will like it will crash, or Silvaco will crash. So it is some issue in cracks, but in like of another crack versions, it is not the issue. So you will face this issue. So that's why I tell you. And many more control options there, you just click there and vectors you can get this. And also one more thing I have to show you, like even in the region, you can see if you want to like electrode index, you want to see electrode index, whatever the electrode index here, you can see that also. Like if I will do it again, yeah, like let's see, like I want to see electrode index, so you can see that electrode 1 2 something is there, right? And if you want to see something more, some other things also, like uh, like let's see reasons. So let's see reason, it's so reason number, where is anode, where is cathode, it's so everything, right? So this is something like if you want to see lines, you can see in the lines format also. If you want to see lines and points, you can see lines and points also. So there is a many way you can utilize these things. So uh, that is I want to convey to you. And one more thing, like if how to change the, like how to change the structure color, this is one issue you may face. So like I will show you that. Let's go back to our previous options. whatever the option is, then only it will correct. Or else you can restart your simulation, it will correct on its own. So this is the structure like which is initially. So if I want to change the colors, you just go to Control plus M is the like you can say shortcut for that, and you can utilize your any of the structure like any one of them. I think I have used the molybdenum, right? I want to color it's a metal, right? So I want its color to be like gray one. Okay, so it's gray one, and if I want to see the some colors of air, I don't think air is a white. Let's say any color you want to, you can do that. Air is a white only, so I will not change that. And let's see, CIGS one, I want to change the color to green. You can change it to green, and anything you can do here, right? There is many thing also, like if you want to change like zero is here and zero is up. So if you want to change that, you just go here in the annotation, and you can change it to bottom, change it to top, anything you can do here. Like if you click here, you it will change it something. If you do this, it will change something. So it is some option you have, like if you don't want to see levels, you can remove the levels also. So annotation is something you can utilize, like right click annotation. Many thing is there, you can utilize all of them. Okay, and try to explore these things. If you face any issue, you can like message me in my WhatsApp or in my mail, or you can message in comment box also. So thanks.